What a phenomenal one I have for you today, y'all. Hope you're doing great today. Short video of a beautiful diamond of the day. Leadfoot Covert edition, leveled on 34s. Great customer from South Kakalaki, boys. Let's go. F150 Lariat Sport Package Leadfoot diamond in the stock form. What we've got going on here is next level. Here we go. Leadfoot up front. The grille is typically a gray color. If you've been watching the videos, you know what's up from the get-go. We paint this leadfoot. We got a satin black middle bar and then a combination of leadfoot and satin on your front grille. That makes a huge difference. If you buy this truck in the stock form, do something to the grille, if nothing else. It makes a great deal as far as overall appearance. Now, with the entire combo, we are leveled on 34s. It's not our typical 295 60/20, but yet a 275 65/20. Just a narrower tire, but a 34-inch tall tire nonetheless. The Firestone Destination XT is a great one. The ride quality is pretty dang good, and it has a nice semi-aggressive sidewall. It reminds me of the Terra Grappler G2. We got a 2-inch level spacer style level kit up front. Crash bars fully intact front and rear. We are I think these Venom Rexes are plus 12. Typically the Venom Rexes are plus 12. I'm not 100% sure on the exact size, but gotta love these wheels. They are notorious on the Raptors and beyond. Just a phenomenal wheel through and through. They have a nice forged system that just gives you great integrity throughout. A factory option, but this is the same power board that comes on a Platinum and above. 14th gen, it's wheel to wheel, works great. Got a little touch button out back where you can enable it to pop down. Added wheel well liners, a nice Lear trifold. I like the Lears a lot, y'all. The mechanism for how it opens, I like. So basically you've got a little latch system here, not a pull cord. I like that better. Out back, custom emblem is a must. South Kakalaki. Toccoa, where I'm from, is very close to South Carolina, so I got nothing but love for the South Carolina folks. LED tails looking so good on the Lariat Sport Package, and I forgot to showed you earlier the beautiful custom side badges. Remove the chrome, satin there, teardrop, leadfoot. Oh my gosh. Here's a customer vehicle. Just want to show you really quickly the two-tone interior you've got going on with the Lariat Sport. The 12-inch screen. Again, this interior, it's the #1 truck in America, y'all. Don't get it twisted. Nothing too crazy and long today. Hopefully you watch this while you're on your lunch break, maybe using the restroom, or just something you had a few minutes to check out a beautiful truck. That's what we're here for, y'all. That's what I love to do. Just show y'all great variations of good-looking trucks. None of this negativity in the world, just America, baby. I'm your host, Real Deal. It's a great Friday. North Oconee got a game tonight. Son played great in the JV game. Looking forward to another good weekend playing baseball as well, y'all. So Leadfoot, what you know about that? Let me know your comments on what you think about this truck. And as always, have a great one. Peace.